Hello and welcome to your education class. We were discussing the points of mass communication. We have already done the first one, that is newspaper, and today we are going to start with cinema. So cinema, as we all know, though nowadays we are not enjoying it in its proper place, that is a cinema hall, or maybe in a mall we used to visit, and over there we used to see cinemas. So that maybe we are missing nowadays, but we all know that in everything in our society which is being provided, uh, maybe by the nature's creation or by artificially, it is having some benefit. Now you know it is a very much everlasting effect on individual, because cinema, and when we will read the television we will see it is only having the opportunity, providing us with the opportunity of audio and visual effect. So the effect of cinema is means long lasting one in our mind. So whatever we are seeing, sometimes if we do not see it according to the age, the child is following something which is highly industrial, or rather commercial, then what will happen to the students? They can create some bad ideas, but still if you follow something, there are some positivity in everything. So today we are going to start with the advantages of cinema. Number one, what better appeal to the sense organs? This is obvious. You hear radio, or when you read newspaper, the effect is the vibration is affecting only one of your sense organ. Rather, when you are hearing, it is affecting your ear, and when you are reading the newspaper, it is affecting your eyes. But here in case of cinema, as I have told you, it is having both way appeal. That is the you can see and you can hear, isn't it? And you can feel it from your heart. So it is very important for your sense organ, and it is having a long lasting effect. Next one, live with the life experience. See, whenever we see some cinema, we feel like in deep relation with the incident, isn't it? Because sometimes we see that yes, what has happened in this film, it is quietly linked with my own life. It is related with my own life, and what happens? You start thinking it deeply, isn't it? It's very common thing. Now, so when you understand, and at the end when you see something good is happening, you can decide your own that what decision you should take. When you see some similarities in films and cinema, you feel like yes, this is the thing what I am doing, this is or what is happening in my life, it is the same. Maybe sometimes it will go wrong, or it will be the different one, that can happen. But we sometimes feel like this, there's a high similarity between what is happening and what I have experienced in my own life. Next is theoretical and practical knowledge. See, when we are following a cinema or following something, it is a proof of something, isn't it? And when we are ultimately ending with something good or bad, it is a practical experience we are receiving. So when everything is happening, we are quite able to relate with our life, as we have discussed in the previous point. So it is not only showing you that how to learn, and what is the effect of learning, that is also being displayed by the film. Fourth point, all can see and listen. See, it is a little bit not related point, but still I will discuss, as it is given in the book, that yes, this is a topic, or this is an event which can everyone follow, from higher class to lower class, from educated to uneducated, from all the people of the society can see and they can understand, though their evaluation can be different from one to the other, but it is for all. So cinema is for all. Next is helps developing in positive social ability. See, being a social creature, we have to follow some rules and regulations. So when we are doing something, if in cinema it is being displayed that someone is doing very some bad activities or bad work, which is against the thought of the thinking of the society, it is becoming very bad. So they are turning their mind, the people, those who are involved in practically in their antisocial activities, they are changing their own mind, they are changing their thinking, and they are bringing some positive social ability in their own mind. Helps to satisfy ego. Now see, when you follow a cinema, when you see something, what happens? You get identification with a particular character. And when you think, when you understand that yes, there's a connection between what society is thinking, I am like that, it satisfies your ego. So it also helps to satisfy your ego by getting your own identification in the society. Last point, learning experience strong and become everlasting. So as I have told you, as it is having an everlasting effect of audio and visual, thus the result is a good one, and thus the result is a strong one. So this is all about the video today. Next we are going to discuss the disadvantages of cinema. Thank you.